Hi guys, this is me Sagar. For welcome back to my channel. And in the last part, we already set up a firing system and UI. So in this part, we are going to set up a reload system, and we have to fix this some minor issue, just like sliding ports, and we also going to change this idle walk run animations as well. Uh, I will provide some animation link down below, and I'll also provide sounds for reload system, so you have to download into the description. So let's start. Okay, first of all, go into asset, and we already made a sound folder, and we have to import these sounds: empty mag, insert, and mag out. Okay, compile, sorry, save all. And after that we need to import some animations also. So idle walk, run, and walk forward. So select your SG, and I don't know what's your player name, so select it. Import all, don't press import, because we want to import three, so import all. Save all. And now it looks better than this. So this is idle, and this is run, and this is walk, so it looked nicer. So okay, so we have to replace this, and we have to tweak some values. Okay, so here we need to change 6 division, enter, and here we need to change 600. Okay, and now we have to, so click on this button, so you can see this is third person idle, third person walk, and run. So we have to replace them: idle and run over here, and walk forward into the center, not no, not in center, in 200 walk speed. So delete this, and you can see right click, and it's on 200. So when the 200 values speed, your player going to walk, then run in 600. So save and close. So right now the problem is, it is okay, it's look okay, but it moved a little bit faster, because here we need to tweak the values into the character movement. We have to tweak it, and we need these values: 200 and 200 for walk also, crouch also. So just save, and again, and one thing, we are going to make a sprinting function also. So let's go into project setting, and go into input, and we need add one action. Oh, sorry, action mapping, and name sprint, and left shift, and one more, we need to add one more: reload, and choose R key, find our key, there is, and close it. So compile, save, and call that sprint. Okay, I think, yeah, we don't made the sprint function. Yes. Okay, after this, what we gonna do is just simple take sprint, sorry, not a sprint, max walk speed, set max walk speed. So when we press our button, we have to, increase our speed by 600, and copy this again. When we release, we have to down our speed 200. So now it's look more cleaner than before. Okay, it's fine, but the problem is on this, so we have to solve this issue also. Let's open the combat mode, going to game, blueprint, and here is combat, and we need to tweak some values. And what is this, man? This is wrong values. This is just okay, need to change it. Put 600, same division 6, and interpolation speed need to be 0. Okay, and here change 6 and 600, compile save, and here need to make them down and click this button, you can see. So we need to all thing into all animation, we need to put all animation into 200. Okay, so there is 200 speed, left, right, everything is work. So now we need sprint, and there is a one free animation come with anime starter pack, and you have to put it like this, fill the empty spaces. So now you can see when 600 it will move like this, and 200 like this. So now we can test. Now it's working fine, no sliding. And now when we sprinting, there's a problem, because when we sprint, this thing happen, because it use yaw, so it character always facing towards the camera, so we need to fix this as well. So we have to go here, and we need to one thing, we need make one boolean, control W, and name sprint, or is the sprint question mark, and put it over here, and true and false. Okay, and now put a branch, and we have to check one thing. If we are sprinting, and we need to check it not equip, if we equip something, if we equip something, so we need to copy some code into here, this one, copy, and go over here and paste it over here. So if we sprinting and we have equip something, means we equip something, then we need to sprint, and we equip something, we need to use orient to rotation. Okay, and if it is not sprinting, then of course we need to use this as well. But if not equipping, then this, the problem is solved. But we need to check it. If we need something, we can tweak this also. So right now it's moving. Okay, so now the problem is it's not sprinting, and we need to check it again. Okay, so that's why I tell you we have to tweak some. So when it is not sprinting and it is equipping something, so we need to do this, untick this if it is true, untick this if it is true. And if it is printing, do this. If not, and again copy. Sprint is true but not equip. Okay, you can put this like this, but it is okay. And if it is not sprinting, not sprinting and not equipping anything, so we just go over here. It's a little bit tricky, but it will work. So now it's facing. When we sprinting, it's look all direction, it's run on all direction. When we leave our mouse, it will facing there. Okay, so now and everything work fine. When we equip, it's facing. When we run, perfect. Just copy. We need to check why it's a little bit sliding. Idle, walk forward. Okay, it's a 0. Okay, no problem, it's okay. So just close this combat and close this all. And here just need to see some acceleration. Okay, and max T, it's okay, everything is okay. So just close this, and now we have to work on uh, reload system. So first of all, we already are done to import empty and animations. So now we have to uh, use this animation in our animation montage. So go into anime starter pack and type reload, and we need this rifles iron rifle sight. So just create a montage, open and use upper slot and compile, save and close and reopen it again. So now it's properly showed you. So we need to use this notification. So just zoom it to see his hands. So where we put the sound, we are going to put a sound. So when he grab the magazine, okay, when he grab over, I think over here, make one play sound. And when he put magazine like this, and and over here, just make one more sound, play sound. And into here we go into sounds, replace reload. And first of all, when we uh, mm, remove our magazine, so use that sound. Okay, and when he put, just select this and mag, type mag insert mag sound. Okay, so now play. It's perfect. And if you want to tweak, you can tweak it by yourself. So I leave it like this, I leave here, and after that we have to use that reload animation in here. So first of all, type reload, and after that we need to check one thing. And what we are going to check it, this same thing, copy, we need to put it here and paste. So when we have equip anything, then we are going here. So I just check the time. Okay, 15 minutes. After this we need to copy this weapon, current weapon, and paste here. And to save some time, so we need a clip, current and max, and close this. So we need this. So first of all we need to just equals equal. If we have a weapon and weapon max ammo is 0, then we are out of ammo. So just print out of ammo. Okay, we can put a sound, place sound, 2D sound and empty sound. Okay, and after this copy, and now same thing copy. And if our clip size is equals to current, so then we don't need to reload anything because our magazine is full. So what we gonna do, put over here, sorry, just copy this and name mag full. Okay, so our magazine is full. and and if it is not full, then we have to do something. So just play montage, play an montage, and copy all this. And right now we use reload, and I think we don't make any reloads structure, sorry, variable in our structure. So we have to tweak something and go over weapon and open structure, and into here we need anim montage. So click on this, and this is uh, fire montage. And again we need reload. Okay, save. And we have to we need to open BP master and go into construction script, and we need to replug all the time whenever you change some values into the structure. So you have to come and change, plug it. Okay, after that close it. And now you can see there is a fire montage and this. So right now we just need this reload, and unplug all, hide all. So and we need to give the speed of play rate is 1.5 is perfect. If you want to check, you can check it, but it's only play as some animation, not reloading, because we have to put something here to properly work. So you can check it. You have a fire, and when you try to R, it won't reload because why it's not reloading. Okay, okay, it's not reloading because we don't put any animation into the weapons. So first of all open them, and yeah, here we need to just call fire rifle montage, and here reload montage, and open this one as well, and Same thing for this. Compile save, open OZ, fire montage, and reload montage. If you have a proper animation for each gun, if you have each different type of gun, different type of reload, you can put it over here so your code will understand, okay, what's your current weapon and what's the reload is. So now you can try to fire and reload, and when I try to press R, so you can see mag is full because we don't want to need anything to reload because we have full of ammo. So when you so now you can see, because we have less ammo in our weapon, so then but the reload not work, it's only a sound. Okay, so it is working perfectly. And after this we have to open that animation again, because we missed something. And where is that reload? Yes, so here we need one more notification, and here we when he put insert magazine, then right click and make one new notify and name it reload done. So when reload done, we have to fill our ammo then. So it make one notify for us. So when this animation play, and this will call a notify, and here we need to call it, just make one weapon reload custom event, and name it, and control C control V and just hide these two. And here we check is greater than, it is, sorry, less than, greater than 0. It means if we have anything on max ammo, then we are check other things. So after that just need minus, and so we need to check how much ammo we want to fill from max ammo to current ammo. So we need to promote this into variable needed ammo name needed ammo. So it will, we can calculate clip size minus current ammo, it will give a needed ammo. So the now we know that we need how much ammo. So after this we need to uh, make it a little bit cleaner because this code is a little bit big. So now copy this and hide all and use only max. So here we need to less than equal and use needed ammo. Okay, if it is less than or equal to needed ammo, we need to do something, and what we gonna do is just copy this. Okay, these, control C control V, and here use, sorry, current ammo, and just put plus, and again here set member, and here just click on this and default setting and go into current. So just make some room and put it over here like this, and control C, control V, and change it to the max, and here leave it max ammo is 0, and don't forget to give the structure reference, otherwise when you compile it will give you an error. And same thing, copy and reverse, put current weapon over here, and when it is false, and control C, control V, and here we need to use them, or you can do like this, minus, and put some reroute. Okay, this is max ammo, and control C, control V, and now it's changed to the clip size, put it over here. So the thing is, minus current clip size minus current ammo, it will give the needed ammo. So we know that how much ammo we need to fill our current ammo. So after that it will check is our max ammo is less than or equal to needed ammo, and if it is true, then we have to just add, for example, if you have a 3 ammo left into this max ammo, and 4 ammo minus into current, so it will add 3 ammo into this. So set it like this. After that, if it is not, then it will give you the needed ammo, max ammo minus the needed ammo, and it will fill, update your max ammo as well. And after that we have to pull the clip size. If we have more ammo left into the max this condition, then fire. So after that we have to call any montage in our where's our, open this and event graph, and here we need to call reload done, reload done, and just control C, control V, and reload, weapon reload, sorry. So if you remember, we make a reload and we add this reload notify. When it hits here, it will call this notify, and where's this notify, and then it will call this function event. Okay, so let's test it. I fire one, so now everything worked fine. And did you see it only fill one ammo? So now it's perfectly work. So switch to this. Now when you try to fire, it won't show you the out of ammo, and when you try to refill it, okay, but we need to tweak something over here, and it's not looks good to show the print string. So what we gonna do, quickly open your game UI, open player UI, and put one text. Okay, and just paste it over here or into a little bit downside, and anchor it into the center, and just size to content and 0 0, and now 0.5, and tweak this value, put it a little bit down. I think 1.3, negative 1.3 is okay. And here name, put the name, or just leave it nothing into here. And after that, this is the, or just put 0, just put 0, so we can see where it is. So its name is name text, whatever you like to name it. Oh man, name text. Okay, just make a variable, and after this we have to go into here, and when it's constructed we just take this name text into set text to nothing. Whenever it's constructed we don't need to set anything, and control C, control V, and make one custom event, t dot and custom event update text, and just update text or update info, whatever you like. So we need to use this thing. Okay, so open this, and if you remember we just make a reference when we made create widget, and we take a reference, so we can use this into somewhere here. So take this, and first of all just type update text, and now copy this, control C control V, mag full, and okay, and put a delay, and 1 second delay. Delete this, we don't need it. 1 second delay, and copy this again, and target, don't forget the target, otherwise it will give you errors. Okay, and same thing for this, control C control V, and copy and replace with this, and delete, and don't forget to, we don't need, after 1 second delay it will hide the text. It's like hiding, nothing show, so it will automatically hide. So just put one more, copy, delay, 1 second delay, and no, and hide unconnected pins, and make little bit room. And one thing, we need this out of ammo, copy this hole and put it over here, control V. So when when you stop your weapon, when you don't have ammo, so it will show you out of ammo, and make some sound, empty sound, and after 1 second it will hide. So right now pick this, because its fire rate is fast. Fire one. Okay, now I try to reload. Mag is full, so because we have full of ammo in our current ammo. So now, did you hear? Out of ammo. So our ammo, so right now we need to refill. Okay, now we waste all of to show you our whole code is work. Okay, so now you're out of ammo into fire also, and when you try to reload it will show you out of ammo. So I think it looks amazing, and what we are try do here, just make a little bit smaller. Okay, and not bold, use a regular. Okay, it looks nice, and if you want you can just give some color or anything, I don't know, whatever you like, you can put some colors as well. So thank you guys, I think I have to wrap this, it's complete. So if you are new, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification icon, because if you don't, then you don't get the notification of my tutorials. So thank you guys, and hope you like it, and don't forget like, share, subscribe, and also join my FB page. So bye bye, take care, we will meet soon, bye.